Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting episode. Welcome back to RALLYTOP Investing. Now in today's weekly Forex analysis, I just want to analyze only one pair, one currency pair, which is GBP USD. I'm going to analyze it on the monthly time frame and the daily time frame. The reason being that I want to show you the outlook of GBP USD in 2024. All right, at least the first 1 month, if not the first quarter of 2024. I just want to show you the general outlook of GBP USD. All right. Now, let's get to the monthly time frame and let me quickly show you some things. Now, this is monthly time frame of GBP USD, all right? And as you can see, we are pretty much bearish. Prices breaking the lows and maintaining the highs, all right? So now, the last structure point we have here on the monthly time frame is this. Let me just quickly show you that one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the last structure point we have. Right, price printed this low here. All right, why is this low a valid low? It is because it took out inducement. Without inducement, your low or high cannot be confirmed. So that's your inducement in the market, guys. So when it took out that inducement, it confirmed this low. Now, after this low, it went up and printed this high. Okay? So when price printed this high cannot be confirmed as a lower high just yet until price comes down to take out this major structural low with a candle closure. And that happened here. That's why we confirm it as a lower high. All right? So this is your lower low and this is your lower high. Okay? And then price printed this low. Now, this low is confirmed as a valid low when price took out inducement. And that inducement is here, guys. As you can see, this is the inducement that price took out here. All right? This one is your inducement. It took out to confirm this low. So let us confirm the low first of all. So this is the low in the market that price has confirmed. Now, after that low, okay, your lower high cannot be confirmed just yet until price takes out this major structural low here with a candle closure, that is. And as you can see, let's see the highest high here. So as you can see, price printed this highest high. But this high, which is our low, supposed to be our lower high, cannot be confirmed just yet until price takes out this major structural low here, as I told you before. All right, so let's see whether price took it out with a candle closure, that is. It has to be with a candle closure, not with a candle wick. All right. So let's see that quickly now. Okay, so as you can see, price actually took out this major structural low here. All right, with a candle wick. Can you see that? Not with a candle closure. So this is not known as a break of structure. This is known as liquidity grab. And anytime you find a liquidity grab like this on a major structure point, all right, like this major structure low here now you can take advantage of this, because once you see this, it means that price is going to give a deeper pullback. All right, it's likely that price will give a deeper pullback. All right, and so because it took it out with a candle wick, we cannot confirm this high. We can't confirm this high as a lower high. All right, we can't confirm it because it's not with a candle closure. Okay, and before you know it, this low was confirmed when it took out inducement here. All right, so therefore, with that being the case, we now can transfer this low here. This very low is no more, all right, appropriate there. So we can transfer that low to this low. So what we have in the market essentially as per structure is this your lower low, lower high, and then lower low here. This point, lower low. All right. So that is what we have in the market right now. But now, because price has taken out inducement to confirm this low, all right, we are looking for price, all right, to go higher. Take out, as it has taken out inducement, we are looking for deeper pullback. But after your inducement, all right, after this inducement, this 1 month inducement, all right, we want to look for our decisional OB on the monthly time frame. And we can find that decisional OB here, as you can see. This is the decisional OB. Now, we are concerned about this decisional OB, first of all, because the distance, as you see, though it looks so close, but this is monthly time frame, meaning that one candle is for a whole month, all right? So this is massive. This space you see is massive. It can take 1 month, can take 2 months, can take 3 months for this space here to be filled to get to this point, all right? So that's why we want to, first of all, concern ourselves with this decisional OB here, not with the extreme OB yet, with this decisional OB, all right? So that's the picture on the monthly time frame. Now, let's quickly go to the daily time frame and then see the picture on the daily time frame. Now that we have identified, we have determined on the monthly time frame that we are bearish and that this is our decisional OB, monthly decisional OB. Now, on the daily time frame, that is, now take a look at what is happening here. So on the daily time frame, price printed this low. This low coincides with the monthly low, all right? This daily low coincides with the monthly low, as you can see. It coincides with the monthly low. And therefore, this daily low was confirmed when price took out inducement. That is the daily time frame inducement. Where is the daily time frame inducement? Of course, it is this one, guys. Yes, it is this one. That is the daily time frame inducement. Let me just denote that. That's daily time frame inducement. All right, now, but take a look at the previous structure. Let's mark the previous structure as per the daily time frame. And let's even know what is going on here. Let's mark the most recent structure here. Now, take a look. Price printed this low. I'm talking about the daily time frame now, guys. Price printed this low. For this low to be confirmed as a valid low, price has to take out inducement. And where is your inducement there? Let's see. Let's look at it properly. Okay, look at this. Look at this structure here. Now, let me show you what happened here. From this high, price printed this low. All right? And from this low, price printed this high and then came back down. I think it took out that low. All right? It took it out, as you can see. Let's zoom this thing was so that you can see. Okay? So it took out that low. Let's take it out and see. That's it. Look at it. It took out that low. Look at this wick here. Clearly, it took out the low here. All right? So this is what you have. So now, where is your inducement? Your inducement is here. Simple. This is your inducement on the daily time frame. All right? After this inducement, that's your inducement taken out on the daily time frame. Okay? So after that inducement, what happens next? What happens next? Now, our low is confirmed. So let's denote that this is our daily low confirmed here. All right? Now, for that low, for your lower high to be confirmed, it has to take out inducement. It has to take out this major structure low. And as you can see, it took it out. Initially, with a candle wick, I think so, yes. With a candle wick, it took it out with a candle wick, and eventually it closed below. It closed below it, confirming this high as a valid high. So this is our high in the market, lower high. All right. So you have lower low, lower high. Simple. And then price came down. Where is our next low? Now take a look at this. Price came like this, did this, and then came back down and took out inducement. All right. So when it took out this inducement here, where is our lower high? I want you to follow me step by step. All right. This is our inducement in the market. Follow me step by step. So that's your daily inducement again. So this low is confirmed as our valid low. This one is confirmed. And for this our lower high to be confirmed as a lower high, it has to take out inducement. It has to take out major structure low. All right. With a candle closure, that is. And let's see whether it took it out. So initially, it took it out with a candle wick, and eventually it closed below it, confirming this as a break of structure. Simple. That's our BOS. All right. And so this is our low and this is our high now. So we can denote this as our high. Okay. This is our high in the market. So we continue. I'm talking about the daily time frame now. And then price now took out this inducement here. To confirm this low, it took out this inducement. Remember, this is also your monthly low. But on the daily time frame, price took out this inducement. All right? Correct. It took out that inducement. That's your daily time frame inducement. All right? It took it out to confirm this low. This low coincides with the monthly low. All right? Clearly. Now, so what we are saying is that on the daily time frame, if price takes out this major structure high, which is lower high before this lower low, it means that's a change of character. Now, that's not a change of character. All right? This is your monthly inducement. This point where you have your, this point where you have your daily lower high, your major structure high, is actually your monthly inducement. Whenever that happens, know that when price takes out, price has to take out that monthly inducement. All right? So when it takes out that monthly inducement, it doesn't mean that that is a change of character. All right? On the daily time frame, yes, you can say it's a change of character, but where it coincides with the monthly higher time frame inducement, that is not a change of character, guys. All right? We are still pretty much bearish. We are still pretty much bearish. What is price trying to do after taking out this monthly inducement and taking out your major structure low here, lower high on the daily time frame, is to go to this monthly point of interest here. This monthly point of interest. All right? This is where price is going to. And so when it took out that monthly inducement, all right, this monthly inducement, price continued to go higher. All right? Remember, after inducement, if it closed above, now on the daily time frame, if initially it did not close above this inducement, but remember, this is the monthly inducement. All right? So price took it out, all right, and closed above it. And what happened? Now you will see take out inducement here. Price will take out inducement. All right? Take out inducement, tap on any OB here. All right? Tap on any OB and move higher. All right? That's what you should expect price doing. Okay? But in this case, when it tap on the after taking out inducement, it tap on an OB and it move higher. When it move higher, you are supposed to be taking advantage to take the trade higher to this monthly decisional OB. This is our first POI on the monthly time frame, which is known as decisional OB. If this OB fails, if this point of interest fails, then we go to the extreme OB. All right? So price will take out, will create a high, take out inducement, tap on something and move higher. Like in this case, it moved higher, tap on inducement here. Took out inducement somewhere here. All right? Tap on any OB somewhere and move higher. As you can see, it tap on an OB here, move higher. We don't know what it tap on. Maybe on the smaller time frame, it tap on it and moved higher. All right? That is what you should be expecting until price gets to this point. Now, remember, on the daily time frame, you may think that this POI here will work. Look at this POI here. This POI will not hold price. Price can react off of this POI, but I tell you, it will not hold price. Why? Whatever POI you are marking here, whether you mark that one or you mark this one as your POI, it will not hold price. I'm telling you, watch it, we will see it. It will not hold price. All right? It won't hold price. Why? Because look at this. Look at what is happening here. Look at this high. Look at this high. And look at this high. What do you call that? That's equal highs, guys. And whenever you find equal highs, liquidity is sitting on top. So that liquidity has to be taken out. And whenever you find a liquidity like that, you see a POI in front of a liquidity, that POI may likely hold price. All right. So here, this POI may not hold. It's most likely not to hold on the daily time frame. Price will take out this liquidity that is resting above these equal highs and then tap on this, our monthly time frame point of interest. Now, you can refine this monthly point of interest. You can refine it. Look at it. Look at it. Here, you have this OB here. All right? It took out the previous candle's high, and after that, price closed below it. All right? So you can actually all right, refine your OB to this OB here. Simple, guys. That will be your OB. That price will come to tap into in the coming year. All right? In 2024, before we see any reaction, maybe to drop or to break this and go to the extreme point of interest. Simple. But for this point of interest here, in my opinion, I think it will blow through this point of interest to get to this weekly point of interest. All right? That is the picture, the outlook of GBP USD in the coming year. All right, guys. This is going to be the last video for the year. So please, you can work on this, all right? And prepare yourself for 2024. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that anytime we publish a new video, you'll be notified about it. And our premium course is coming up. We are running a promo. Registration will be opened January 15 through January ending. All right? The end of January. So you need to take advantage of it. Our mentorship fee has been reduced ridiculously. And remember, we have also upgraded from our premium course 2.0 to 3.0. All right? A lot of things are made simpler in 3.0. And the price is much more cheaper and affordable. So please take advantage of it. And if you purchase the course, all right, before the registration date opens, all right, you are going to get 10% discount on top of the ridiculously reduced mentorship fee. So take advantage of it and come and learn the secret of the Grandmasters. All right, guys, I see you in 2024. Have a wonderful holidays. Take care of yourself. I see you in 2024.